Hello, I am Francis Juma, the founder and CEO of FW Africa. We are the proud organizers of the AFMASS Food Manufacturing Expos and the related events that come with it. We'd like to welcome you to the 10th edition of AFMASS Food Manufacturing Expo in Nairobi. This year's event is set to take place at the Sarit Expo Center between July 2nd and 4th in Nairobi. This year, we'll be honored to host more than 8,000 attendees from across Kenya, Eastern Africa, the rest of the continent and across the world, and more than 150 exhibitors representing all manner of companies, startups, regional companies and global giants who will be showcasing their latest products, services and technologies to the food, beverage and milling industry. AFMASS has grown to be more than just a food expo. At the event, we help catalyze the growth of businesses across the continent. Over the years, we have hosted more than 300 companies that have used the event to launch, scale, and succeed across the continent. So if you are a business that is looking at the next growth frontier, which Africa is, this is the event for you. To exhibit, sponsor or attend the event, please visit the website for more details. See you in Nairobi.